How to make dollar with AI. AI, artificial intelligence, is the simulation of human intelligence processes by computer systems. These processes include learning, the ability to improve performance based on reasoning, self-correction and self-improvement. Here are a few steps you can take to get started. And also there's a special bonus for you at the very end. So make sure you watch the video until the end. 1. Developing and selling AI-powered products or services. Developing and selling AI-powered products or services is a popular way to make money using AI. Identify a problem or opportunity. The first step is to identify a problem or opportunity that can be solved or improved using AI. This could be anything from automating a tedious task to improving customer service to creating a new product or service. Research the market. Once you have identified a problem or opportunity, research the market to see if there is a demand for a solution. Look for similar products or services that are already on the market and see what they offer. It's important to note that developing and selling AI-powered products and services can be a complex and time-consuming process. It's important to have a solid understanding of the technology and the market. Also, it's important to be aware of the ethical and legal implications of AI. Top of form. But before we begin, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for such amazing and informative videos. 2. Investing in AI startups is another way to make money using AI. Research the market. Before investing in any AI startup, it is essential to research the market and understand the current trends in the industry. Look for startups that are working on cutting-edge technology and have a clear competitive advantage. Identify potential investments. Once you have a good understanding of the market, start identifying potential investments. This could be done by attending industry events, networking with other investors, or searching online for startups that are raising capital. Investing in AI startups can be a great way to make money, but it's important to have a solid understanding of the market, the technology, and the risks involved. Also, it's important to be aware of the ethical and legal implications of AI. 3. Providing AI consulting services. If you have expertise in AI or machine learning, you could offer consulting services to businesses that want to integrate these technologies into their operations. Providing AI consulting services is an effective way to make money using AI. It involves using your knowledge and expertise in AI and machine learning to help businesses and organizations implement and utilize these technologies. As a consultant, you can help clients identify opportunities for automation, develop and implement AI-powered solutions, and optimize their existing systems. To be successful as an AI consultant, you will need to have a strong understanding of the technology and its various applications. Additionally, it's also important to be aware of the ethical and legal implications of AI, and to stay up to date with the latest trends and advancements in the field. Providing AI consulting services can be a profitable business, and with the increasing demand for AI talent, it's an area with great potential for growth. Providing AI consulting services can be a profitable business, but it requires a solid understanding of the technology and the ability to communicate effectively with clients. It's also important to be aware of the ethical and legal implications of AI. 3. AI writing software. AI writing software refers to computer programs that are able to generate written content, either by using pre-written templates, by using machine learning algorithms to understand language patterns and generate text. Some examples of AI writing software include content generation software. These programs can produce news articles, blog posts, or other types of written content. Email response software. These programs can automatically generate responses to customer inquiries or support requests. Chatbot software. These programs can generate written responses to customer inquiries in real time, such as in customer service chat. These AI writing software uses deep learning, natural language processing, and other techniques to generate human-like text. Some software is also used to help with editing, proofreading, and grammar checking. It's important to note that the quality of the generated text may vary depending on the complexity of the task, the amount of training data, and the quality of the algorithms. 4. Financial apps and predictive analytics. Financial apps and predictive analytics using artificial intelligence, AI, can help businesses and individuals make more informed financial decisions. Some examples of how AI is used in financial apps and predictive analytics include fraud detection. AI-based algorithms can analyze large amounts of data to detect patterns and anomalies that may indicate fraudulent activity. Predictive modeling. AI-based systems can analyze historical data to make predictions about future market trends, currency fluctuations, and other financial variables. Automated financial advice. AI-based systems can provide personalized financial advice to individuals based on their financial goals and risk tolerance. 5. Building and selling AI-powered devices. Building and selling AI-powered devices involves creating hardware and software products that incorporate artificial intelligence technology. Some examples of AI-powered devices that can be built and sold include smart speakers. These devices can respond to voice commands and perform tasks such as playing music, setting alarms, or controlling other smart devices in the home. Self-driving cars. These vehicles use AI technology to navigate and make decisions on the road, without the need for human input. Robotics. AI-powered robots can be used for a wide range of tasks, such as manufacturing, logistics, and healthcare. Smart home devices. These devices, such as thermostats or security cameras, use AI technology to learn a user's habit, preferences, and automatically adjust settings or alert the user to potential security threats. The field of AI is constantly evolving, and research is ongoing in areas such as computer vision, natural language understanding, and robotics. 6. Develop a simple AI app. Earn money by creating an AI-driven application for social media monitoring, chatbots, IoT apps, etc. This can be a paid app where users pay to access exclusive content. Other estimates show that subscription applications generate more revenue than other types of in-app sales. Make these applications available on multiple platforms, desktop, mobile phones, tablets, etc., to reach a larger audience and create a difference in users' lives. Try carving out a specific market niche and using audience data knowledge to generate money building apps across different sectors. Become an AI educational content creator. 7. Leverage AI social media functionalities to boost sales. Many businesses leverage social media to drive growth by understanding customer requirements and knowing them better. Even social media platforms use machine learning to improve user experience. One of the many benefits of AI in social media is a custom news feed tailored to satiate users' tastes. AI can analyze user behavior to determine the best course of action to take, considering user interests, career, and nature. This is useful for businesses looking to promote their products on apps. When they onboard AI app experts, they value your recommendations. You can help their business characterize pins in a way that makes them searchable, with a decent grasp of relevant keywords. 8. Generate vast artificial intelligence data. Another great way to earn money using ML is by offering AI-driven data. Businesses need data for decision-making, and since machine learning can produce huge amounts of data easily, try extracting and selling those. AI works like a human brain. It can comprehend audiovisual elements and also adapt to new learnings. An AI system feeds on comparable learning and dynamic data made available from different medium, text, audio, and video. Access to such data is expensive, but you can monetize it by selling it to research foundations and knowledge enterprises. 9. Creating and selling AI-powered language translation services. Creating and selling AI-powered language translation services is a promising business opportunity in the field of AI. AI techniques have been used to develop sophisticated language translation models that can produce accurate translations in real time. These models can be integrated into software applications, websites, and mobile apps, making it easy for users to translate text from one language to another. The demand for accurate and efficient language translation services is growing as more businesses expand globally and customers increasingly demand multilingual support. By developing a specialized AI-powered language translation service for a specific industry, such as medical or legal translation. As promised earlier, here is the special bonus idea for you. Using AI for predictive maintenance in manufacturing. Using AI for predictive maintenance in manufacturing and other industries is a way to leverage AI to improve operations and reduce costs. Predictive maintenance is a strategy that uses data and machine learning to predict when equipment is likely to fail. This can help to minimize downtime and prolong the life of equipment. In manufacturing and other industries, AI-powered predictive maintenance can be used to analyze data from equipment sensors. This can be done in real time, providing early warning of problems, which can help to reduce downtime and increase efficiency. Did you learn something new about how to make dollar with AI that you didn't know before? We hope you did. Please check the link in the description for our merch also, because there's something very special for you in it. So, if you're interested in learning more amazing ideas and informative videos, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get notified by our new videos. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to comment down your views on this. Thanks for watching till the end.